Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about evaluating of limits of radical functions. So, mag-evaluate tayo ng mga radical functions sa limits. So, let's get three examples tayo dito. Sa mahirap sa madali. Sa madali sa mahirap. Okay, so, what if we have the limit of the square root of x minus 2 over x by minus 4 as x approaches 4. So what we're going to do here is the so-called conjugate. Conjugate ng radical function. So what's a conjugate of radical function? What we're just going to do is just make the negative sign positive sa either numerator and denominator ng function. I-multiply natin siya. Done. And then what we're going to do is just use distributive property. So we can just get square root of x times square root of x will be x. Square roots will be cancelled. Ito naman will become just 2 root of x. So dapat alam niya na kung paano mag-multiply ng radical and a number. Okay, so there you go. Dinistribute ko rin yung isa and then negative 4. So now we have this. And then sa bottom, we are not going to distribute it. I-leave lang natin siyang ganyan. Because we will use it later. Okay? So, as you can see, we can just cancel the plus 2 root x minus 2 root x. So, we got x minus 4. And then x minus 4 din sa baba. And we have square root of x plus 2. So, as you can see, we can cancel x minus 4. So what we have now is 1 over square root of x plus 2. So as you can see, we can just quickly plug in the value of 4. So plug in lang natin yung value of 4 dun sa square root. And then there you go. The square root of 4 is, let me move here. Square root of 4 is 2 and then 2. So what we got here is 1 over 4. And that is the answer for number. So, ganun lang kadali kung paano mag-evaluate ng limits, right? So, now let's move on to our second problem. So, let me just write our problem. So, what if we have a limit as x approaches what number? 0 of a function square root of x plus 2 minus square root of 2 divided by x. So as you can see, we cannot just straight plug in direct substitution. Pag pinalagay natin yung x, yung 0 sa x, we will get an undefined answer. So, ganun ang gagawin natin. So, what we're going to do is just find the conjugate of the radical function sa numerator. So, square root of x plus 2. And then, papalitan lang natin yung negative sign sa positive 1. And then, in the positive, there you go. And multiply it both sides, the numerator and denominator. So, we will get this. So, we will distribute yung nasa numerator but not on the denominator. So, if we distribute natin yan, we can just square root of x plus 2 and then minus 2. So, as you can see, na-cancel lang lahat ng square root signs, square symbols. And dito naman sa denominator, we're not going to distribute it. We're just going to leave it just like that. So we just get this thing. So sa numerator, as you can see, we can just cancel the 2's. Kasi 2 minus 2 will be just 0. And then x rin dyan sa baba. And then we have x plus 2 plus root 2. So as we can see, may same denominator sa numerator and denominator. We can just cancel the x. So what we got here is 1 over square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 2. So we can now use the direct substitution here. Okay, let's use the direct substitution. So, pinaglagay na yung 0 plus 2 plus square root of 2. Okay, let me just delete this. So, this will become square root of 2 plus square root of 2 or 1 root 2 root 2. So, that's the answer. Or we can just represent this in another answer if we're going to rationalize the denominator. So, ito yung isang law of algebra, yung rationalizing the denominator kapag meron tayong radical sa denominator. So, let's do it. Baka hingin yan sa atin. Okay, there you go. Root 2, root 2. And then sa taas, 1 times root 2 is root 2. Now we can just cancel the root signs here. And then there you go. So, we got root 2 over 4. So, this is the answer for number 2. This is the other answer. Let me just rewrite the other answer. So I'm going to post this on TikTok later. Here. Now let's move on to our third problem. Let me just delete this. So I'm going to write a number. What if of a limit as x approaches 3 of a function square root of 12 minus x minus 3 divided by square root of 7 minus x minus 2. So as you can see, meron tayong dalawang radical dito. So mahaba-haba tong problem na to. You can pause the video if you wanted to solve this one or try it out. So first of all, we're just going to get a conjugate of the denominator. You can do it either side. Pwede kang magsimula sa pinaka-first numerator or you can start din sa second. So we will get this. So we're not going to distribute yung nasa taas. Okay, so we just got this. What we're going to do is distribute yung nasa baba. So we got 7 minus x minus 4. So let me just rewrite. So I'm just rewriting yung nasa numerator. And then isa-subtract lang natin yung 7 minus 4. So yung 7 sa negative, hindi yun doon. So 3 minus x. Then what we're going to do is get the conjugate of the numerator. Yung nasa left side, not on the right side. Yung conjugate nung pinakauna. So there you go. So plus 3 rin itong nasa baba. There you go. So di-distribute natin yung nasa numerator dun sa square root of 12 minus x minus 3. At hindi dun sa square root of 7 minus x plus 2. So there you go. So nandito pa rin yung 7 minus x, yung square root of 7 minus x plus 2. And then yung sa denominator, we're not going to distribute it either. Kasi may makakancel. So you please see on kung ano yung makakancel. Yung 12 minus 9, right? Magiging 3 minus x yan. So there you go, 3 minus x siya. So I'm too slow. Okay. There you go. Three minus x dito. And then 12 minus x plus 3. So as you can see, we just cancel the same thing, yung same sa numerator and denominator. So now we have this. square root of 7 minus x plus 2 divided by the square root of 12 minus x plus 3. So what now we're going to do is direct substitution. Kasi pwede na. As you can see, wala tayong magiging value na 0 sa denominator if we plug in yung 3. So 7 minus 3 plus 2, and then 12 minus 3 plus 3, and then 7 minus 3 is what now? It is 4. Okay, so we have root 4 plus 2, and then 9, square root of 9 plus 3. Okay, so basic na to. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2, square root of 9 is 3 plus 3, and we got 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? It's 4. So now we got 3 plus 3, which is also 6. So wait, I did write 9 for some reason. I'm going to change this. There you go. So 6. So we can furthermore simplify this by 2 times 2. And sa denominator, we got 3 times 2. We can cancel the 2's, and then we got 2/3 as our final answer. And that's the answer for this problem. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something.